So hello friends, welcome back to my new video, and in this video we're going to cover a Python conditional statement. So I've created a list. So we will see first about some basic conditions. Okay, so this condition we use as equal means 7 equals 7, then print 7. Okay, this we can do if 7 is not equal than 8, then we can do not print means print 8. And this is for lesser than, in 7 is lesser than 9, then print 9. 9 is greater than 7, then print 7. Okay, so these are the topics that we are going to cover up today. Elif, else, and shorthanded if, and keywords or logical operators, nested if, past statements. So let's start the tutorial as fast as possible. So very basic, we will create an if condition. So we will do like let us take an variable like a's value we will give as 7. Okay, and we will create a variable b value we will give as 14. Okay, so if a equals b, and one thing more, you have to add a colon. If you add colon and you press enter, means you are inside of that function. Okay, so this is very much important in learning Python, so make sure that you remember this. Okay, so now if you see over here, we got an indentation over here. Means if we go one time back, and if I press tab, then I am inside that. I just created an indentation, so I can print. We will do print. We can do print. Yes. Okay, so if we run the function, terminal is starting. We'll say. Okay, so in code we have made some mistakes. So let's check what mistake we have made. So 7 equals b. So its condition is false, so it can't go move further. That's the reason it's not running the function. If we can do b, and over here we can do a, then we got nothing. So let us check what's the problem over here. So we can do b is equal. Okay, sorry, we can't do b is equals means 14 is not equal to 7. We can do if b is greater than a, then we shall get anything. Yes, so we got yes. Sorry, then make sure that you take the right function according to your program. So one function I will add here. If you want this node, then comment me down in the below. I will share these notes in the PDF form. So if we let us cover up the if statement. So we covered the if statement, so we have done that. So I will add a star over here. So if is how basically it works, and let us check about Elif. So I will comment this out. Code will be in the description as usual. So now we will create an function. So in previous video I taught you about input function and formatted strings. So we are taking an example from there. So I will create a variable named user and in inp. Okay, means user inp equals user input. Okay, so I will add an input function in this. So input function I will add like your name. Okay, so your name, and then we're gonna use the if function. If user int equals, and one more thing, in if statement you can use strings, numbers, data types, tuples, all the data types that are present in Python. So you can do user equals Lalit, and do not forget to add the colon and indentation, and you can do print hello boss. Okay, hello boss. So your name I will add as Lalit. Hello boss. Okay, so our function is running properly. So let me add a means this covering the topic if Okay, and I will add a comment over here, and for this I will do Elif. So this is the function now. So let us check Elif. So if you can do, make sure that the line is same. Don't add the indentation and add the Elif. So we can do Elif user input equals Adesh. Okay, here is Adesh. Then we will print hello. We can give hello employee. Okay, employee m. So let us check a function. Yes, Lalit. One time we will check of Lalit. Then we will do for 1 second. We will do this function for again for Adesh. Okay, so Adesh hello employee. Okay, so our function is running very smoothly. So I will comment this out too, and let us go to else function. Okay, so we have covered the Elif function. Let us go to else function. So I will copy this because I have to explain you too. So let me add an else, and let us print that. So I will comment. So now we will add an else. Okay, if someone else means else. No, we will do Adesh as manager. Okay, so he will get means anyone other will come over here. He will be considered as an employee. Okay, so one thing in else we doesn't give any condition, because the last means there are 3 conditions, that if Lalit equals boss, if user input equals boss, then you have to print hello boss, and Elif user input equals Adesh, then you have to print hello manager. Means else means the last condition. And one thing more, you can create multiple Elif functions. That's you can create so many of multi functions of Elif. So we'll see else we will give as print hello employee. Okay, hello employee. So let me remove this. So we will give an HG. Okay, so he's an employee, and let us check for Adesh and Lalit is working same. So we got hello boss. Sorry. So I'm by mistakenly open Python debug console. So here we will get Adesh and hello manager. Okay, so this was about the else. Now let us check about shorthanded if. So how does the shorthanded if works? Oh, sorry, by mistakenly. Okay, so let us comment this out, and we will see about shorthanded if. So let me uncomment this because we need this. So we will do shorthanded if. Let us give shorthanded if. Excuse me. So shorthanded if. So it will do if A. Will do if A is lesser than B, and then instead of giving an indentation, you can just print it over here, like print yes, A is greater. And A is greater. If you get any background noise, then please ignore. So we got A is greater. Sorry. So I will undo this. I will try to add the noise reduction. Aunties are mad over here. So this much will be okay for today. I don't want to make this too lengthy. So next, and keyword or logical operators, nested if, past statement, we'll cover this in next video. So this was for today's video. How did you like? Comment me down below, share, and follow me on my Instagram. So bye.